All right, today we're going to do a really fun breath exercise. But before we get into that, I want to talk a little bit about why we do this and how it affects our body. Reconnect breath is a form of intermittent hypoxic training, or IHT. Another way to think of this is simulated high altitude training. So think we're trying to create environments that replicate being deep up in the mountains. In other words, we're reducing the amount of oxygen our body is used to receiving. By simulating high altitude environments via breathing or decreasing our oxygen levels and increasing our carbon dioxide levels, the end result of this hypoxic trend is improved oxygen saturation in our blood, better circulation, improved mitochondrial function, which helps to keep us from getting sick, and even increased tolerance to stressors and even toxic chemicals. But it goes a little bit deeper than that. What we're doing to our body is teaching it how to adapt. And when your body is forced to adapt more often, it inevitably grows stronger. This is why some of the top athletes in the world are using intermittent hypoxic training to increase their performance. Hypoxic training, practiced at the appropriate intervals, can also improve chronic lung disease because you're increasing the amount of oxygen carrying capacity in your blood. It's also going to improve things like hypertension, diabetes, bronchial asthma, and also causes the release of excess calcium from your cells. So Reconnect breath consists of 3 different parts. Coherent breathing, so even breaths in and out at 4 seconds inhale, 4 seconds exhale. Paced breathing, so larger and faster breaths that look a little bit like this. Then after 2 minutes of those breaths, we'll let all the air out and hold our breath without any air. After the breath hold, we'll take a deep breath in and hold for 10 seconds. Each round, the breath holds will get a little bit longer, so push yourself. Remember, breath holds are so incredibly beneficial for your body, so make sure to try and push it a little bit, even when you're feeling like you're running out of air. This practice is best performed in the morning. Make sure you're doing this one while lying down. You never want to do this in the water or while you're driving or standing up. One thing to note, when you perform more powerful breathing exercises like this, there's a chance you might experience something called tetany, where your hands will kind of tense up and become like little claws. Tetany is completely harmless. It's just a shift in your body's oxygen and carbon dioxide levels. So if it happens, don't panic. Just keep breathing. If you feel too uncomfortable, just return to your normal breathing and it'll go away. So let's get into it.
This is a 12-minute Reconnect breath exercise. Go ahead and lie down. Find a comfortable spot. Close your eyes. Just take a few easy breaths here, in and out through your nose. We're going to start by breathing 4 seconds in and 4 seconds out. All right, here we go. In and out. In and out. In and out. All right, we're going to speed it up now. So here we go. In and out. In and out. In and out. Good. Keep going. All right, one more final breath all the way in. Let it go. And then hold there for 1 minute. "15 seconds left. All right, go ahead and breathe all the way in. Fill your lungs. Hold it there. And then let it all go. And we'll start round 2. All right, here we go. In and out. In and out. In and out. All right, speeding up now. Full breath. All the way in and all the way out. one more final breath all the way in. Let it go. And then hold there for 1 minute, 30 seconds. "15 seconds left. All right, go ahead and breathe all the way in. Fill your lungs. Hold it there. And then let it all go. And we'll start the final round. All right, here we go. In and out. In and out. In and out. All right, speeding up now. All right, one more final breath all the way in. Let it go. And then hold there for 1 minute, 45 seconds. 15 seconds left. All right, go ahead and breathe all the way in. Fill your lungs, hold it there. And then let it all go. And just returning to your normal breath now. Taking a few really slow, soft breaths. Waking up your fingers, your toes, stretching out a bit. Hope you have a great day. Be good to your mind. Be good to your heart. Thanks, guys.